What's going on, guys? I'm at Tucson Mountain Park. I just pulled over to the side and started walking on this trail over here. And yeah, it's definitely hot out here. I made a mistake of I ran out of the hotel too quick and I brought my sneakers when I should have brought my trail shoes. But it's what it is. Went back, got those. Definitely needed a hat because it is hot out here. It's windy. It's like the sun's more radiant out here. That's the kind of heat you feel. It's not like New Jersey or anywhere else where the humidity pretty much is the heat. Out here, not that much humidity, but the sun beats down. Come with me. Oh man, it's crazy out here. Like the terrain is just so rocky. Kind of see behind me. I'm gonna go up to Mount Lemon. I'm gonna see how it is. It's like a whole different world up there. Can't wait to check it out. Alright, so I reached one of the first pull over sites, you could say. Check it out. I'm not even I'm probably like a quarter of the way up. Let's take a look down here. I think I hear running water. Cactus. Yep, definitely in Arizona. Oh, this frickin' thing. Now let's take some pictures, right? Take a couple steps back, and I got pricked in the frickin' leg. And I tell you what, it's not like no Home Depot cactus like at home. Like you get pricked by one of these, like they want to stay in there, which pretty much happened. The frickin' little portion of it broke off and was stuck on my leg, my right leg. Had to pull out, and I tell you what, it hurt. I'm like 1, 2, 3. Oh, this one right here, this exact species of cactus. I believe it's called buckhorn. Yeah, quite nasty. You gotta be careful around here. Another thing I guess you have to be careful about is rattlesnakes, scorpions. Haven't encountered any yet, but try not to. It's definitely windy. I just need something to break the wind. Oh yeah, that was definitely right. There's definitely running water. You can see from the mountain. Back on the road. What is that, yucca plant? Maybe. Okay, just walk right there. It's completely different. No more cactus, now you got some nice pines around you. It's just a different environment. Whole different climate. It's not as cold as I thought it was gonna be. That's gonna be way colder. Well, the thing is, where it was before, it was really windy. But over here, in the mountains, it kind of shields the wind. You do feel a little bit, but not as bad as over there. Holy crap, am I out of breath already? Alright, I hit the end of the trail. Ended up on some rock over here. But look at that view, that's something else. Keep going up. It's like almost never ends. Starting to reach the clouds. It's kind of dark over there too. Yeah. You can see it just passing by. Is it fog? Is it a cloud? Well, it's both, because that's what fog is. Clouds. So much fog. I'll tell you what, the Mustang, it's really working hard. This thing is EcoBoost, and it's working pretty hard trying to get up here. My fuel consumption now is probably like around 16 miles per gallon. Keeps going down the more you go up. Elevation, I just passed a sign that said 7,000. Yeah, pretty high up there. I actually did have to put my jacket back on. It's got way colder in the cloud. It's probably colder over here than where I flew from, New Jersey. When I left, it was probably like 45 degrees and it's October. When I was in the desert yesterday, I have to say it's probably like beating down, probably like good 70 degrees, 75, something like that. Brought a couple of snacks with me. Can't go wrong with a Cliff Bar. A couple of raindrops here and there. This is crazy. It's like, this is Arizona still. Ugh. Yeah, I'm heading back. I'm like really cold. Like my fingers, like, I'm starting to lose feeling in my fingers. That's how cold it is. But yeah, I'm just like scared to like run into a bear or something. I don't know if there's any up on this mountain, but what do I do? Like play dead? Tell you what, some of these rocks out here look really good in my fish tank. Look at that. Oh man, look at that beauty. Yeah, these rocks are kind of just everywhere. Pretty much on top of Mount Lemon. I can't go any further, the road's closed over there. Pretty high up, I can't even see out. And what do you know, there is snow up here. Traces of it. Yeah, really cold up here. I think it's time for me to head back. Probably like in the 40s. Maybe even 35. Like my fingers are like freezing up here. It was just hailing for a second. That's crazy. Well, getting some food. Definitely hungry after this adventure.